Hello everyone, today we are diving into an exciting story that bridges traditional finance technology and cryptocurrency. GameStop, a famous video game retailer and 2021 meme stock sensation, has once again captured the headlines, this time for possible investment in Bitcoin. Reports suggest that GameStop is exploring the addition to Bitcoin to its balance sheet, and this news alone was enough to push its stock price up by 18% in after-hours trading. But why does this matter? GameStop isn't a financial institution or a crypto startup. It's a well-known retailer. If it does move forward with Bitcoin investment, it could signal a significant shift in how business view digital assets. More companies are already exploring Bitcoin, and GameStop's potential involvement could accelerate the mainstream adoption. Today, we will break down this development, discuss its importance for the crypto industry, explore how it impacts others' business, and analyze what it could mean for the future of technology and finance. To understand why this is significant, let's take a quick look at the background of the GameStop. GameStop is a major video game retailer that gained international fame in early 2021 when retail investors on Reddit's Wall Street buys forum triggered a historic short squeeze. Hedge funds had heavily shorted GameStop stock, betting on its decline. However, coordinated buying from retail traders sent the stock soaring over 1,000% just a few weeks, shaking Wall Street and highlighting the growing influence of decentralized trading communities. Since then, GameStop has experimented with cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. In 2022, it launched an NFT marketplace and a crypto wallet to explore the Web3 opportunities, but both were shut down in late 2023 and early 2024 due to the regulatory uncertainty. Now, GameStop is rumored to be considering Bitcoin as a treasury asset, and on February 13, CNBC reported that GameStop is exploring cryptocurrency investments but hasn't made a final decision. This speculation was fueled by a tweet from the GameStop CEO Ryan Cohen. He posted a photo with Metro Saylor, who is the chairman of the MicroStrategy and one of the Bitcoin's most vocal corporate advocates. Although Sear isn't really directly involved in the GameStop's crypto strategy, his presence has only intensified the speculation. Investor enthusiasm quickly pushed the GameStop stock price up by 18% in after-hours trading. At the same time, unrelated Solana-based meme coin called the GameStop surged by 45%, demonstrating how speculation impacts both traditional and the crypto markets. So what is significant for crypto and the traditional finance? If GameStop proceeds with this move, it could have far-reaching implications for both the cryptocurrency industry and the broader financial industry. Here are four key reasons I think is very important. The first one is corporate crypto adoption. If GameStop invests in Bitcoin, it will join major companies like MicroStrategy, Tesla, and the Square in holding Bitcoin as a treasury asset. This could encourage more and more financial business to explore the similar strategy. Large corporations diversifying their portfolios with the digital assets could lead to increased liquidity and stability in the crypto market. The second one, I think, is legitimizing Bitcoin. Large corporations investing in Bitcoin could add credibility to the asset class and potentially reducing the risk from institutional investors and the regulators. Increased corporate adoption might also influence the central banks and policymakers to explore digital asset regulations that support innovation while ensuring the investor protection. The third one is retail sector influence. GameStop's potential Bitcoin investment could inspire other retailers, gaming companies, and the e-commerce platforms to integrate Bitcoin or blockchain solutions, accelerating industry adoption. If more and more businesses accept Bitcoin for transactions, it could drive broader usage as an alternative form of payment. The last one I think is market psychology is also the impact on the investor sentiment. The strong market reaction to just the possibility of the GameStop buying Bitcoin highlights how much investor sentiment is influenced by corporate moves into crypto. Even without confirmation, speculation alone has already impacted stock and crypto markets. This trend shows how media narratives and corporate decisions shape financial markets and influence the investor behaviors. So the immediate and long-term implications on the industry is also very important. I classify them into two parts. For immediate effects, GameStop stock price jumped up to 18% in after hours trading, showing how speculation alone can move markets. Yeah, it's very easy to see, but the short-term traders and the investors often react quickly to such announcements, leading to the significant price flow. And the rest of GameStop themed meme coin highlights the speculative nature of crypto markets and how branding can influence token movements. Meme coins often experience extreme price swings based on news, community engagement, and broader market sentiment. And for long-term impact, if GameStop follows through, other companies may feel comfortable investing in Bitcoin, leading to wider corporate adoption. Business may look at Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and the economy uncertainty, further integrating digital assets into the mainstream finance. And the second one is regulatory discussions around the corporate Bitcoin holdings may intensify, pushing the government to establish clearer policies for business investing in crypto. And greater regulatory clarity could provide a stable framework for long-term corporate investment in digital assets. The last one I think is important is about the companies in retail, gaming, and e-commerce might start integrating Bitcoin-based payment systems, further normalizing the cryptocurrency transactions. Bitcoin's increasing utility as a medium of exchange could strengthen its position as a digital store of value. So there are also some personal influence on other companies. I classify them into three kinds. The first one is Bitcoin adopting companies. Like MicroStrategy, Tesla, and Square have already allocated their portions of assets to the Bitcoin. If GameStop follows suit, it reinforces the growing trend of corporate Bitcoin investment, making it more acceptable for the public to trade companies. And there are also some Japanese gaming company like Boomi recently bought 6.6 million worth of Bitcoin, while MetaPlanet raised, let me think, 26.1 million to invest more in the cryptocurrency space. And the increasing global corporate investment in Bitcoin suggests a broader acceptance of the digital assets. The second kind is the tech and gaming companies. If GameStop reorganized with crypto, major players like Microsoft, and Sony and Steam, a large game company, could be encouraged to explore blockchain integration in gaming. And blockchain-based gaming models, including play-to-learn and NFT-backed economies, might gain further traction. And in-game purchase and blockchain-driven economies could gain more traction as companies explore the benefits of decentralized digital assets. And game developers may adopt blockchain technology to create transparent, player-owned digital economies. The last one, I think, is retail and e-commerce company. Platforms like Shopify and PayPal already support crypto payments. If GameStop moves in this direction, it could encourage other retailers to integrate Bitcoin into the payment systems. Expanding crypto payment adoption among retailers could make the Bitcoin a more practical medium of exchange and bridging the gap between the digital assets. Large e-commerce platforms such as Amazon and eBay may face increased pressure to adopt crypto payments if competitors like GameStop successfully implement them, and potentially driving a wave of digital asset integration across the industry. And beyond Bitcoin, there are some broader trends in the technology and finance. GameStop's rumored Bitcoin investment is part of a larger trend reflecting major shifts in finance and technology. Some potential developments include the blockchain adoption. More companies investing in Bitcoin could lead to greater adoption of blockchain technology for payments, supply chain management, and digital identity verification. Business might begin utilizing blockchain for smart contracts, reducing inefficiencies and costs associated with traditional financial processes. And the second one, I think, is decentralized finance. It also calls DeFi. If corporate entities hold Bitcoin, they might explore decentralized financial services, reducing their reliance on traditional banks. Large companies may begin leveraging DeFi lending platforms to generate yield on their crypto holdings, further integrating blockchain-based financial services into the mainstream. And the NFT and digital asset integration is also very important. Will GameStop shut down its NFT marketplace? It may still explore digital collectibles, tokenized assets, and blockchain-based loyalty programs in gaming and retail. Brands could start offering limited edition digital goods as part of promotional campaigns, adding a new layer of engagement from consumers. So what about the future innovations and the possible outcomes? Looking ahead, we could see several key innovations stem from this trend. There will be more institutional Bitcoin holdings as more companies investing in Bitcoin. Traditional financial institutions might offer new services tailored to corporate Bitcoin holders. This could include enhanced securities solutions, Bitcoin-backed loans, and corporate treasury management tools designed for the digital assets. And there will be stronger regulatory frameworks. Governments may respond to corporate Bitcoin adoption with clearer regulations, making it easier for business to engage with crypto. Regulatory clarity could encourage more companies to allocate portions of their treasury to Bitcoin, leading to a broader industry participation. And the crypto-friendly retailers will be more. GameStop could pave the way for other retailers to accept Bitcoin payments or launch blockchain-based rewards programs. As cryptocurrency adoption rises, business may introduce hybrid payment models. This will allow customers to use both fiat and crypto seamlessly. And the last influence, I think, is tokenized assets and gaming integration. Blockchain-based in-game assets, NFTs, and digital currencies could become more widely accepted in gaming ecosystems. Game developers may explore creating decentralized gaming economies where players have true ownership and in their game items, reducing fraud and increasing player engagement. So the conclusion is, what's next for GameStop and Bitcoin? GameStop's rumored Bitcoin investment has already influenced the market, demonstrating the impact of corporate adoption on both stocks and crypto. The response to this news highlights Bitcoin's growing role in corporate financial strategies. And if GameStop follows through, it could further legitimize digital assets and inspire more companies to follow suit, pushing Bitcoin toward mainstream acceptance. This could lead to a shift in how business manage their reserves, with more corporations consider Bitcoin as a strategic asset. And this impact extends beyond the GameStop, potentially shaping the future of the gaming, retail, and tech. If retailers and e-commerce platforms begin accepting Bitcoin at scale, it could revolutionize the global payment landscape, maybe. And whether or not GameStop ultimately invested in Bitcoin, the discussion alone has accelerated mainstream interest in cryptocurrency, reinforcing its role in modern finance. The ongoing debate over Bitcoin's role in corporate finance will likely continue to drive innovation and regulatory evaluation. And thank you for revelation. And these are my references for this presentation. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think GameStop will actually invest in Bitcoin? And what impact could this have on the broader market? That's all. Thank you.